Grow bigger, better onions. Grow from seed instead of sets. It takes time, but it's easy. Onions are a biannual plant. The first season, they grow a bulb. In their second season, onions naturally focus their energy on a flower spike and producing seed. This is why, in most cases, you can get bigger, nicer onions from seed than you can from with sets. It's April 27th, 2024, a cool, cloudy day, a perfect day for planting onions. I'm planting onion seedlings 8 inches apart in rows 1 foot apart. Let's go back in time 2.5 months and start some onion seed. I use a grow light, a heat mat, and I put about 15 seeds in each 3-inch pot. Seeds should germinate in 7 to 10 days. I didn't get the best germination rate this year. It is important with onion seed to use fresh seed. When the plants get too tall, give them a haircut. This will make them stocky and strong. Back to that cool, cloudy day in April. Harden off your seedlings. Let them get used to real sunshine, cold nights, and wind. These onion seedlings have been living and growing in my low tunnel for about 3 weeks. Onions have tough, wiry roots. Separate them from the dirt and then from each other. This will not hurt them at all. There's our first customer. Nice roots on this one. Onions are a heavy feeding crop and they love nitrogen. I make sure to plant them in the chicken run manure. Dig a shallow hole and wiggle dirt around the roots. Make sure not to plant the seedling too deep. Pack them in, step and repeat. Planting on a cool, humid day is best. The seedlings won't get heat stressed and won't dry out. Here are some photos of last year's onion crop. Let's hope 2024 is even better. See you next time at the Windmill Garden. Don't forget to like and subscribe.